Of course, no problem. Yeah, this is better. Off. Make this off.
Yeah, okay. So now we are here.
Yeah.
Welcome. Welcome to Giza Pyramids. Yes, may checkpoint. Stop muna.
A few moments later.
Yes, finally. Finally, so ingat-ingat lang sa mga gamit, baka makalimutan. Hello. So, mainit na. So, time check. Mali orasan ko. Time check 9:30. Hindi yan. So we will wait to you.
Take off the mask.
Okay.
Come, I show you where is the parking exact.
Okay.
Okay. Because don't close it for me.
We do not recognize you because of your mask.
Yeah. Now I show you where is the parking exact.
Okay, much better. Because we will check your plate number and nice. Very nice.
Okay, I am a parking here. In the
Okay.
front, the biggest one.
Okay.
And here, the local guide area will help you for everything because now already inside the area.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay. See you later. Alligator.
Good. And after the finish, back again.
Yes.
Ticket. Yeah, from here you go inside by seeing this ticket to see statues and see the Queen Pyramids. All
Ah,
this by
that
same
one.
ticket you have.
Okay.
If you need to go inside to Great Pyramids, you have to bring another ticket by 400 Egyptian pounds.
If inside.
But if you go inside here, you go about 75 meters like this. After 75 meters up, you get one room inside, empty, nothing inside. But here you included your ticket to go inside here to see statues and see the Queen Pyramids. All these by same ticket you have.
So later we go around first.
If you want to go inside here, you have to bring another ticket from there, from same window.
Okay, we will go outside.
Okay, this way I show you where you go. Ticket with you. I just show you where you go. If you need something else, you come back to me here. This way, enter here, sir. Where you come from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Welcome. Welcome to your second country.
Yeah.
Welcome.
My friend.
Yes, sir.
So we will walk first.
Yeah, already you walk first,
yeah.
but I show you where you go.
Ah,
That's
okay.
it.
You can see this time. So my favorite.
Okay, that's the entrance.
see my door? This is the entrance of the pyramid, small door. But if you go inside from this door, you go about 37 meters straight. After that, you go up 75 meters like this. After 75 meters, you'll get one room inside, empty, nothing inside. Everything will send it to Egyptian museum. Before King he think he come back to life, that's why he put it with him, everything. Like gold, statues, food. But always already will send it to Egyptian museum. It is empty
I
inside.
already read that.
Yeah. But the original door of the pyramid, the top one, the bigger one. This is the original door. But what is this small door? Before 1,000 years ago, Al Khalifa Al Ma'mun, he come here to open original door. He not found the original door. Original door before closed. That's why he opened a small door by handmade.
So, you are talking, right? So, we're going to pay you?
No. Don't worry, sir. We work here.
Okay.
I am guide here. But hereby included to go inside to see statues, to see everything.
Statue.
Free charge. You don't pay anything. But if you like to write something, if you want to,
Okay.
you come back to me here again. Don't worry.
How
sir.
much is this camel?
Camel, horse, the government price. I show you, small tour or big tour, and you see what you like to.
So normally how much?
I show you the price, the list.
Okay.
Don't worry, sir. We have big.
So
tour
we take photos first, huh?
and a small tour. If you need a special photo from that corner, you'll get all pyramid behind you.
Okay.
Best view to take photos from that corner. This way.
Ha?
Para buo. Hindi dito ang buo. Kasi doon yung araw eh. Kaya dapat tayo.
So we are here in pyramid. We have a tour guide for free.
Hindi mo alam kung pre o ano ba. Scam.
I think ko ano to eh. Magkakamal na ba agad tayo?
Hindi sir. Anong dito lang tayo. Para buo lang.
Saan ba dito? Ito nga ano para triangle no.
Fine, brother, fine. Oh, have a nice day.
Yes, have a nice day.
I give you one Arabic card with present for you.
Can I stand here, sir?
That one, that side.
عرفات بدون
Yeah, this is the best photo.
سامع عرفات بدون
خلاص يا عم شعبان.
عرفات بدون مستر عرفات
Excuse me. You stand here.
Yes.
Give me your camera.
Okay. This one. Oh, I can give you my phone.
Of course, no problem. Yeah, this is better.
Then I will put here this one.
No,
Huh?
stand here not allowed. Stand here not allowed.
Not stand?
Not allowed. Close this stand. Yeah. Stand here. Don't put it like this.
Okay.
Okay, give me this one. Make off. Make this off.
Yeah, okay.
Have your hand. together.
Together, yes.
There, you take more pendant photos.
There,
My friend,
Ang profile picture din.
Yung wide angle.
okay,
Come on.